everyone, my name is Tracy and welcome to my tips and tricks video. Today I just wanted to show the versatility of our Stampin' Up punches. Now for today's tutorial I'm using the classic label punch, but this can be said for most of our punches that Stampin' Up offer. Now although this classic label punch is a pretty simple punch, it has a strip and then the benna cut ends. Now you would look at this and think, I can't do too much with this, but you can. And this is just one way of thinking outside the box with your supplies. Use your supplies for other things. So I've just quickly played around with the punch just for a couple of minutes, and I've come across these few different designs that you can do just with this punch. So what I want to do is I just want to show you how quick and easy it is. So the first one is just the normal punch, okay? And let me just show you how easy that is. If you haven't used the Stampin' Up punch yet, super easy. It's always easier to punch with it facing up, so you're just going to feed it through that top bit there, lay it up with your cardstock, and then you're just going to punch down. So this is what this classic label punch punches out. Pretty good, isn't it? Great for sentiments. So that's our first one. But we don't want to just make that one with our punch, so let's try something different. So here for the next one, you can change to any length that you want. So let me show you. Let's punch out another one. But just say our sentiment needs to be a little bit smaller. What you do is you just place it back inside that punch to wherever you need it. Say our sentiment needs to be that big. And just punching down. And hey, you also get another one here. So we have another bit of a sentiment piece, and I highly recommend before you punch, stamp your sentiment and then punch it out. That way you know that you've got evenness on both sides. So there's the second one. So we can change it to any length. The next one here is actually just an offcut from this one. So we can do a arrow style. And once again, this one can be done any length that you would like. And then here I have, well, you could either do it benna cut or this way. This way is just by popping a strip through and punching on that side and then sticking it back through this way and punching. So we have that one. But I also have another strip. So instead of popping it through the punch for the next one, we're going to pop it in through the sides. It doesn't matter about these little pieces, I can chop them off. Let's do the other side. That one worked a lot better. But with this one, I'm just going to cut off those little bits of excess cardstock there. And there we have it. It's the same way, it's just fed into the punch a little bit differently. And then the last one is very similar to what we've just done here, but we've gone a little bit smaller. So punching one and just going to feed it through again. And there we have it. And I just thought of one more thing, so let's do another one. Look at that little, is it hexagons? To do a really cute background with that shape as well. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd love it if you left me a comment. It's nice to look at our tools in different ways, so always try and think outside the box a little bit. It also gives you more reason to purchase if you've got a few different things that you can do with it. Until next time, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye bye.